Are you looking for a gluten-free bread that is similar to a regular bread? Well, you might try this one. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For this gluten-free oat flour bread recipe, we need 200 gram oat flour. I'm here just making my oat flour myself. 200 gram of white rice flour. 50 gram potato starch. 30 gram psyllium husk powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I combine all the dry ingredients well, so it's nice mixed. Then I add 500 milliliter of water. And 1 tablespoon of apple-cider vinegar. I mix it well to create a nice dough. Then I transfer my dough onto the baking sheet, or you can use parchment paper. I knead the dough with my hands and create a nice bread loaf shape. I did an oval, but you can do a round bread loaf or the shape you like. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Once I'm done with creating my bread loaf, I take 1 tablespoon of oil and brush it onto the bread loaf. I take a sharp knife and scar the bread 3 times, but you don't have to do it. You can leave it just plain like this, or you can do a different pattern, whatever you prefer. Once I'm done, I transfer the baking mat onto my baking sheet and let the loaf sit and rest for about 10 minutes or so, just until I heated up the oven. I heat up the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I bake the bread for about 50 minutes. Then I turn my oven to 410 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 20 minutes again, or until it's the color I prefer. Once it's baked, I let it cool off completely. And this is how the gluten-free oat flour bread turned out. It looks similar to a real bread. Now I will cut it and show you the inside. You can see the bread close up. You can also see the air pockets the bread has. And the back of the slice, also some air pockets. So this is how my gluten-free oat flour bread turned out. Now I want to try it. I just spread some butter on it and then I will try it. It tastes similar to real bread, but it's still gluten-free, so it still tastes different. But it is good. My kids like this bread. Well, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.